All right. Today let's learn how to make your iPhone camera into a professional camera. All right. Go to the search for camera, and go to the camera, and then right here, the first thing you see is formats, and here make sure your camera capture is always high efficiency. That means it takes the best picture as possible, right? And then Apple ProRAW I have on, Apple ProRes I have on. That's good. If you want to take 4K videos, that'll help you take the 4K videos. And then the record video, you have options. If you have a, good memories in your phone, you can take up to 4K videos. But right now, the best thing you should do, just to save the storage, you can take 1080 at 60 frames per second. This is the best setting that you could do. And then make sure the SDR video is always on, and then auto FPS is 30 frames per second. That's the best thing. It takes the best pictures for you. And then record slow motion. I have 1080 at 2240 frames per second. And make sure the if you want to scan any QR code, make sure that's on. So detected text is on. So if you take a picture, you could actually with iPhone, you could actually copy the text only, and then grid on. That'll help you. Your camera, it covers the object into a grid. And yeah, make sure these are the settings that you should always put it on: lens collections, macro control, and prioritize faster shooting. So if you have these settings on, I bet you going forward you will take the best pictures, you'll take the best video. All right.